Rivian's billion-dollar Uber deal just became the biggest bull trap of the year. While retail traders rush in to buy a breakout, institutions use this exact moment as exit liquidity. Right now, the stock is hanging by thread and a massive trapdoor is about to open. So in today's video, I will show you daily and weekly TPO charts so you will know what levels are in play right now. Of course, I will show you the technical analysis as well, and some important levels are present here. And the main question is, what's next? Are we coming to $13 and lower, or shall we see a bounce from current levels and go higher? Most probably you already know the answer. Let's start with the weekly TPO. TPO is time price opportunity. This is a market profile, but instead of volume, we analyze time. How much time is spent for the specific stock at the specific price level. As you can see, for this week, our point of control was $15.69. We closing this week almost at the same level as we closed week before, which confirms the weakness that's present for this company. Right now, our naked point of control is located at $14.43. It's here. It was left for us on the week February 9th. Be aware of that, because such naked point of control will act like a magnet. Price will go there, and most probably we will see some reaction. It's important for us to understand that if we are not accepting that value and do not perform our bounce, then we will go lower. And importantly, to see that we had our singles left for us in November of last year at the level of $13.66, and you can see that we managed to grab them at the beginning of February, but the second part of the same week singles that were left for us are at the level of almost $13. So it's important to understand that if we are losing value area near $14.43, our main target would be those singles. Just keep that in mind. And if we do not see any kind of reaction with those singles and do not bounce from that level, then our point of control, naked point of control, is $12.10 left to us in August 18th week. So keep that in mind. It's very important to understand. Here is the daily chart. As you can see, weakness is already present. Huge tails from the $17.50 and from $17.10. So like if we are coming higher than $17, here sell-off is happening. So it's crucial to understand. We also have singles present here at the $16.40. Singles, those are the single prints. So the price didn't stay at that level for more than 30 minutes. So it's very important to monitor such levels because price slipped, yeah, and most probably no like air pocket, no liquidity there, and some liquidity has to be present at those singles. So that's why it's important to monitor such levels, because usually in some cases such singles are really close levels for the next point of controls. So keep that in mind, please. Based on the TPO analysis, here is our daily upside target, $16.07. So a little bit higher than $16. That would be the take profit target if we actually starting to move higher. In order for us to believe that we are trying to move higher, firstly, we need to gain again our point of control for Friday, which is $15.13, and finally break the value area high for Friday, which is $15.40. In that case, that will give us a chance and a hope that we will go higher. But if we are not able to gain the pounds, to accept the value from point of control that we had for Friday, that means that we are pointing lower. So keep that in mind.